Dear students, now that we know and understand the MS Excel interface, let us see how to enter data in MS Excel, included in MS Office 2021. We already know that a cell is a small rectangular area formed at the intersection of a row and a column. A unique cell address is formed by the combination of row number and column header. The address of the currently active cell is displayed in the name box. Cell range is a rectangular area consisting of two or more cells on a worksheet. We refer to a cell range by using the cell address of the first and the last cells separated by a colon. For example, an address of a cell range having D5 as the first cell and D15 as the last cell is given by D5 colon D15. Similarly, A5 colon C8 refers to the cells from A5 to C8. The number of cells in the last example, A5 colon C8, is 12. Let us now see how to enter data in a cell. Click on a cell where you want to enter data to make it active. Now type the required data. The data will be entered into the active cell as well as in formula bar. If you made a wrong entry, click on the Cancel button to delete the entered data. After typing data, press Enter key to move the cell pointer down to the next cell. Pressing Tab key instead will move cell pointer right to the next cell. To make corrections in the data, double-click on a cell whose data you want to edit or change. The cursor will appear in the cell. Now, make the required changes by deleting the incorrect data and typing the fresh data. Then tick button or press Enter or Tab key. Finally, save the changes by clicking on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. In MS Excel, you can use comments to have conversations with others. Now, let us see how to add comments to a cell to start a conversation. Right-click a cell and select Insert Comment. Press Enter. Enter your comment. Others can now reply to continue the discussion. To edit a comment, right-click the cell and select Edit Comment. Edit your comment and press Enter. To show, hide a comment, right-click the cell and select Show, Hide Comments. To delete a comment, right-click the cell and select Delete Comment. When a cell has a comment, an indicator appears in the corner of the cell. When you hover over your cursor over the cell, the comment appears. We may sometimes want to restrict the data of a cell to a certain predefined values. For example, for a column Vaccination Status, we want to allow the following values: first dose taken, second dose taken, booster dose taken, not vaccinated. For this, we will create a drop-down list and use it in a cell. To create a drop-down list, open a new worksheet and type the entries you want to appear in your drop-down list. Now, select the cell in the worksheet where you want the drop-down list. Next, go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Then click on Data Validation. If you can't click Data Validation, the worksheet might be protected or shared. Now, on the Settings tab, in the Allow box, click List. Then, click in the Source box and select your list range. Note that we have left out the header row because we don't want that to be a selection option. If it's okay to leave the cell empty, check the Ignore Blank box. Now, check the In Cell drop-down box. If you want a message to pop up when the cell is clicked, click the Input Message tab and select the Show Input Message when cell is selected box and type a title and message in the boxes. If you want a message to pop up when someone enters something that's not in your list, click the Error Alert tab and select the Show Error Alert. Now, pick an option from the Style box and type a title and message. So, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.